Welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into Chapter 5 of Money Smart, the book that's helping people all over the world become financially free. And in this chapter, we're going to talk about how to conquer debt. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our life-changing content. Let's get right into it. Have you ever felt like your debt is just piling up, and no matter how hard you try, you just can't seem to get ahead? Or maybe you've tried to get rid of your debt before, but you ended up going back into debt again because it seemed like the easy way out. You're not alone. Debt is something that many people struggle with, and it can be really tough to know where to start when it comes to paying it off. But what if there was a simple, proven strategy that could help you pay off your debt quickly and easily? That's what we're gonna talk about in this video. We'll walk you through a step-by-step process for getting rid of your debt so you can finally start feeling like you're in control of your finances again. So let's jump in. The first step to conquering debt is to get a clear picture of where you stand financially. This means taking a close look at your income and expenses and creating a budget so you understand where your money is going each month. This will help you see exactly how much money you have available each month to put towards paying off your debts. Next, you need to list out all of your debts, including credit cards, student loans, and any other type of debt that you may have. Once you've listed out all of your debts, it's time to start developing a plan for paying them off. There are several different methods that you can use to pay off your debts. We'll discuss two of the most popular ones, the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. The debt snowball is a really great method for people who are just starting out and don't have a lot of extra money to put towards paying off their debts. With this method, you would start by paying off the smallest debt first, regardless of the interest rate. Once you've paid off the smallest debt, you'll take the money that you were using to pay off that debt and put it towards the next smallest debt, and so on until all of your debts are paid off. The benefit of this method is that you'll start seeing results pretty quickly, since you're tackling the smallest debts first. Seeing these quick wins can keep you motivated and on track to pay off your debts. The debt avalanche, on the other hand, is a little bit more mathematically sound. With this method, you would focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, then move on to the debt with the next highest interest rate, and so on. This means that you'll end up paying less money overall in interest. However, it may take a little bit longer to see results with this method since you're not starting with the smallest debts. Once you've chosen a method for paying off your debts, it's important to make a plan for how you're going to stay motivated and on track. One of the best ways to do this is to track your progress. You can do this by creating a spreadsheet or using a debt payoff tracker. Seeing your progress visually can help keep you motivated and on track to achieve your financial goals. It's also important to celebrate your small victories along the way. When you pay off a credit card, take a few minutes to acknowledge your accomplishment and give yourself a pat on the back. These small moments of self-celebration can help you stay positive and motivated throughout the debt repayment process. Conquering debt can be a challenging journey, but it's definitely possible. By following a few simple steps, you can get rid of your debt and take control of your financial future. Remember to get organized, develop a plan, stay motivated, and be patient with yourself. And that's a wrap on Chapter 5 of Money Smart. We hope you've enjoyed this video and that it has given you the tools you need to start paying off your debt. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. Reach out to friends, family, or a financial advisor for support and guidance along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our life-changing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.